To begin, open the TikTok app on your phone. Then tap the plus button from the bottom menu. You can capture a new photo or video, or you can upload a photo or video from your gallery. Then tap the next button. You will see a list of options on the right of the screen. Tap the down arrow from the bottom. You will then see the Add Yours option. Tap on it. You can select one of the suggested prompts. These prompts are suggested based on trending topics. You can also enter a prompt from your own. Then tap Done from the top right corner. You can place it anywhere on the screen by dragging. You can also resize it if you want. When you are done, you can share your story. Your story has been updated. Check this out. Now if your followers see your story, they can respond directly to it with photos or videos. You will get a notification when someone responds to your prompt. So in this way, you can use the Add Yours feature on TikTok.